Hey everybody, how you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Let me turn the light on so you can see me. Here we go. I'm doing pretty good. If you look at outside, it's all snowy out. Yeah. And the snowplow just went by. They used to be out like 4. Used to be out at 4 a.m. But they haven't been out since like a while ago. So it's been a long time. Yeah. If you guys didn't see my last video, I was talking about.
They asked me to wait for 3 months without seeing you.
I was
Changed our minds, they wouldn't have objected.
I was talking about all the snow and all the snow on the trees. Yeah, 'cause I almost forgot I was talking about it last time in the videos. See? All the snow on the trees are bad, but not like the before. The last time I showed you guys, it was a lot of snow on the trees, but look at it now. Like there's barely anything on the trees. It's here, it's almost 30 degrees. It's almost 30. So it's not that cold. But it's cold for you guys where you're at, but for me, I think 30 is nice in the wintertime. But probably you guys, probably it's cold. Yeah, hope you guys having a great day and enjoying yourselves. Yeah, because I think tomorrow I'm going on a trip, I think tomorrow. And I'll try to post a video tomorrow too. I'll try to. Yeah, I had to go out and burn some papers here soon because my lid's up. So, because every time my lid goes up, I go out and burn papers because it's overflowed. But other time I didn't, and we had to stack papers up top of the lid. So we're not trying to get that habit again. Stack papers. My dog's begging me for something. I don't know what she wants. Yeah. Oh, she wants to play. Yeah, she likes his sock, but I'm gonna throw it out here soon because it's all tore up. We threw her orange ball away because it was getting down there to just throw it out. She chases that sock and bring it back, and she likes to play tug of war with you. See, she likes to play tug of war. And throw it. She picks it up and brings it right back. But when the weather gets nice, we're gonna play catch outside. Yeah, but other thing, I hope when the weather gets warm, I'm gonna take my driving test in the springtime, so I'm looking forward to that. I want to take it now because the saying is sooner the better. But there's some people want me to wait. Yeah. So, and I can't wait. I know you guys are probably gonna say, well, he didn't take it when he's 16. Guys, I didn't have a physical then.
We deal directly with your doctor.
Yeah.
Handle all the paperwork.
But if you guys are saying why I didn't take it when I'm 16, because I didn't get a physical then. Yeah, and I took my permit test like multiple times. I lost count. I took it a lot of times, but all that matters, I passed it. My eyes went big when I passed it because I didn't think I'll pass it. Never. But I finally did. So I'm happy for that. Yeah, so I'm looking forward towards spring so I can take my driving test. I'm so excited. Probably be around April, probably around April. Yeah, so I can't wait. Yeah, I can do my own stuff. I can go my own places like anytime I want to, and oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. And if you hit the subscribe button, you see my new videos, and you come and you can enjoy the ride with me. Yeah. Alright guys, this is it for this video. If you like it, smash that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, push that subscribe button. You see a little bell pop up. Push that bell icon. See my new videos, and I don't think we're gonna miss my videos coming up in the future because they're gonna be very good. If you're not following me on Facebook and Instagram yet, go follow me there. Go follow you guys right back. Alright guys, this is it for this video. And have a good day. And be safe out there. Peace.